Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today in this video we will discuss about the instructor guidelines about Google Cloud Computing Foundation course. These are the guidelines as you can see, and these are the modules. What is the purpose of this course, and what is the module sequence, course like lesson plan, alternate labs, and you can see a number of things. But we are talking about the first, what what are the basic modules we already discussed in the previous videos. So we are discussing on each module number 0, that is based on course introduction. Module number 1, so what's the cloud anyways. Module number 2, start with a solid platform. Module number 3, use Google Cloud to build your app. Fourth module is about where do I store this stuff. Module 5, there's an API for that. Module number 6 is cannot secure the cloud, right? Module number 7, it helps to network. 8, 9, 10, that's the Google keep on eyes on things, and you have the data, but what are you doing with it? And let's machine to the work. And the last module is review the next step. So these are the modules. As you can see, we will discuss in later on. But what will be the exit sequence if I'm talking about the practical approach? So we will perform all labs according to the sequence. So this is the actual sequence of all modules. This is the title, lecture content, and the lab content. So we will perform all labs according to our module in this sequence. So there are 32 labs in this section, and total rest of modules are 10. So we will start our practical session from module number 2. So there are 2 labs in module number 2, a tour of quick labs and Google Cloud, and the second one is getting started with the cloud shell. So you can see all the details, all practical labs. So module number 3 having 5 labs in this module, and 3 labs in module number 4, and further we are just moving to the next module. So like if I'm talking about lab number 6, so there are 2 labs in module number 6. At the end we can see we are just concluding this video through the module number 10 and module number 11. So there are multiple labs in module number 10. We will perform Google Cloud Speech API using Quick Start, video intelligence, and reinforcement learning with the quick lab sessions. So at the end we review the next step, that is the course recap, knowledge assessment and quest completion, and the next step. So you can see there are 32 labs, and all labs are defined. We have to complete within hours. So as you can, I hope you understood this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel.